Good morning, boys and girls. How are you? Okay, so for our new spelling lesson, it's about suffix, or what a suffix is. Now, last week we took prefix. Prefix is part of a word that's added to the beginning of a word, that's added to the beginning of a root word, and it changes the meaning completely. Okay, now today what we're taking is a suffix. A suffix is added to the end of a word, okay, to the end of a root word. Let's take a look. A suffix is a piece of a word that you add to the end of a word, okay, to the end of the root word, which is just the base word. The suffix changes the meaning of the root word. So example, here we have hope, and here we add the suffix of ful, which is hopeful. Hopeful, which means full of hope. Let's take a look. There are certain letters or groups of letters that have special meanings. They are attached to some words to make a new word. Now, they are known as suffixes. Okay, suffixes are letters that come at the end of a word to give a new word. Now, these are the kinds of suffixes there are. There's ly, ful, er, est, les, able, and neess. Okay, let's take a look. So this is how we add a suffix. We have the root word or the base word plus the suffix, and then it equals the new word. So what is a suffix? A suffix is a letter or a group of letters with special meanings added to the end of a word to make a new word. A suffix can change the meaning of a word, or it can be used to compare two or more adjectives and adverbs. Let's take a look. Let us see the suffixes ly, ful, er, and est. Okay, now here we have the suffix ly. Now we add it at the end of a word. Okay, now we have here quick, which is the base word, plus ly equals quickly. Beth learns quickly. Do you have an idea of what do you think it means? If she learns quickly. Okay. Quickly means having the meaning of being fast. Okay. So when we add ly to the end of a base word, it means it will be something faster, so being fast. Let's take a look at the next one. ful, okay, help plus full, which means helpful. The word helpful means to be full of help. Okay, so when we add ful, it means full of help. So the map was helpful in finding the store. Okay, er, let's take a look. Tall plus er equals taller. So er means more than another. The suffix er is used to compare. So when we compare two things, okay? When we're talking about two things, we compare them with er. Okay, here we have Brian is taller than Adam. So here we're just talking about two. We only add er. Okay. Now here we have est. Now, tall plus est equals tallest. Est means having the most of something. So it means it's comparing more than two. Okay, it's comparing how many? More than two. Er compares two, and est means more than two. Okay, let's take a look. Victor is the tallest boy in his class, okay, because there's many children in his class, so we say est because there's many, we're comparing more than two, so we add est to the end of the base word. Okay, let's do some practice. Okay, what you have to do here is suffixes are parts of words added to the end of other words, the root words. Suffixes change the meaning of a root word. Read the words on the left and match them to the correct meaning on the right. Ful, let's look here. Ful means full of. Less means without. Ish means like something. Okay, so let's practice. Let's do some practicing work. Okay, so here we have beautiful. Okay, and it's got FUL at the end. It's got FUL at the end. Can you see? So it means it's full of what? Let's take a look here at the base word. See that? So does it mean without a home? Always helps, like a child. Green in color, full of beauty, or without fear. So here we have beauty, full. So full of beauty. Wrong one. Okay, let's just fix that up. Okay, so here it's full of beauty. Okay, here we have help, full. So it's full of help. So it always likes to help. Okay, so always helps. That's it. Good work. Okay, here we have homeless. Less, which means without. If you look here, less means without. Okay, and without what? Without a home. So where's without a home? Right up the top. Okay, now here we have fearless. We have fearless. Okay, so without, it's got here, less means without. So without fear. Where do we have without fear? Right down the bottom. Good work, everyone. So here we have childish. Remember, ish means like something. So ish, child. So something like a child. So it's going to be like a child right here. Okay, and last but not least, here we have greenish. Greenish. Okay, so it's like green. So something green in color. Good work, everyone. Keep it up.